I'm Tony.
I'm Stephanie.
This is our 1999 Freightliner. Has a Cummins engine. We started on it about a year ago. Once we really started going on it, took us about 2.5 months to complete, which is pretty fast in the bus world, we hear. So let's show you around. This is the outside. The name of our bus is Run Wild. I already had a license plate collection, so I was able to put them to use here. Come on inside. We have a family of 5, and a lot of our friends have families of 5. So we really wanted a lot of sitting room and a lot of room to people to drive down the road. So we just did 2 long couches. They all got storage underneath. And then we have boards that go in between to make one big jumbo family bed, double family bed. We've slept as many as 13. You know, everyone put their head in the middle, and it's like a big old party.
Yep.
We went with 2 rooftop air conditioners. One of my main fears was being hot. I'm not into that.
Diva. He's a diva.
So we bought a cabinet from Lowe's, Home Depot, and we built this part of it. But we use this as the base to go off of. Put a sink in the butcher block. Just use some 1x to trim around the windows just to make it look a little better. I feel like you should turn the key on the lights.
Go ahead.
Oh. So under here we have a toaster oven, microwave. And then back here, for now we just have a temporary toilet, like a boat toilet, RV toilet you could get just for to go.
Mm-hmm.
And here's our refrigerator, some extra storage. Queen size bed. Underneath is all storage you can access from the front or the back. Little shower.
Mm-hmm.
We were more concerned with seating and stuff like that than having a big shower.
And then you've got the
rack. We have a rack on the back. We have 4 scooters we tow along for us and our kids. And then we have a ladder on the back. You can see it from the outside to a rooftop deck for viewing the stars and such.
Now can you also...
Yeah, we could also go still throughout the emergency exit.
All right. It's
still in operation.
Cool. Hi, thank you. I like the bus.
Thanks for stopping by.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more, so please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.